Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. Today is Sunday morning and I'm about to leave Bowen Drive. But as I do so, a white Model 3 stops behind me and drops off his passengers. I put my car into reverse and there appears to be enough room for me to reverse. But before I can reverse, a pedestrian walked by and then the Model 3 decides to move forward.
What's he doing? Is he leaving?
Apparently, the Model 3 doesn't want my parking spot. Okay, so I now reverse out of my parking spot. And as you can see, this area is very popular for joggers and hikers.
Oh, okay.
As a car driver, we have to give priority to pedestrians. So I am well aware of people around me. The Model 3 has now stopped in the middle of the road. There's another jogger, so I remain stationary until she runs past. Now I want to move forward, but the Model 3 is blocking me.
Get out of the way.
It seems that he wants to stop or park in that area. So why didn't he take up my parking space? You can see that the car behind me has actually taken up my vacated spot, and this Model 3 simply doesn't have a clue. You can hear the proximity alarms are all going off, and the Model 3 continues to be in my way. The Model 3 driver is also moving when pedestrians are approaching him. He really has no idea about how to behave in this situation.
How's he doing?
The Model 3 just wants to park there, and there is a lot of space to his left side. You can see this in my rear view mirror. Just look at all that space to his left. Anyway, that's Sunday drivers for you. So this is Bowen Drive leading up to Bowen Road. There are plenty of joggers, pet owners and hikers in this area. It's a really popular spot. But as drivers, we have to give priority to all pedestrians. This is just a small taste of Sunday morning driving in Hong Kong. Thanks for watching and stay safe.